Samsung just made a laptop that's so good, it almost got me to throw my MacBook out the window. Almost.
Okay, before you scroll away, hear me out. I reviewed over 50 laptops. I've touched the good ones, the bad ones, and the ones that made me question my life choices. But this thing, the Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro, this makes no sense in the best way possible. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why this laptop is either the best purchase you'll make in 2026 or the biggest flex you'll ever carry into a coffee shop. Let's go.
All right, let's hit the insane stuff first. Number 1. This laptop runs on Intel Core Ultra processors. We're talking AI-powered performance built directly into the chip. Your laptop is now literally thinking for you. Make that make sense. Number 2. The display. 3K AMOLED. Let me say that again. 3K AMOLED on a laptop. The colors are so vivid, I opened Netflix and genuinely forgot I wasn't watching on a TV. Number 3. It weighs under 1.5 kilograms. We're talking the 14-inch model specifically. Under 1.5 kilograms. A laptop this powerful should not be this light. That's illegal. Someone call the police. Number 4. Samsung DeX mode. Plug this thing into a monitor and boom, it transforms into a full desktop experience. One laptop, 2 lives. The audacity. Here's the thing though, laptops like this, they shouldn't exist at this price point. They shouldn't be this thin, this powerful, and this good looking at the same time. That's what's been bugging me since I unboxed it. Because Samsung basically looked at every other laptop maker and said, hold our kimchi, and then delivered this.
Let me tell you how this actually performs in the real world. Not in a lab, not in a benchmark chart, in your life. Daily use? Buttery smooth. Chrome with 47 tabs open? Yes, we're all guilty. 0 lag. I had Notion, Spotify, Slack, and a Zoom call running simultaneously. Not a single fan noise. Nothing. It was eerie. Creative work? I edited a 4K video in Premiere Pro, exported in under 12 minutes. My old Intel i7 laptop would have needed a break and a therapy session for that task. Gaming? Okay, it's not a gaming laptop, let's be real. But casual gaming? Light titles, indie games, and some older AAA on medium settings? Totally doable. The Intel Arc graphics are actually underrated. Battery life. Samsung claims up to 30 hours of video playback. I got around 13 to 15 on real heavy usage. That's still incredible. I went a full workday, meetings, editing, social media doom scrolling, and still had juice left. Respect. Let me break the tech down in plain English because nobody has time for jargon. The Intel Core Ultra chip has something called an NPU, a neural processing unit. Think of it as a tiny AI brain inside your laptop. It handles AI tasks like background blur on video calls, smart noise cancellation, and faster image processing without draining your battery. Translation? Your laptop works smarter, not harder. The 3K AMOLED display has a 120 Hz refresh rate. That means everything you scroll through, every video you watch, every animation, it's silky smooth. Your eyes will thank you. Your productivity will suffer because you'll just be staring at it. And the memory? Up to 32 gigabytes LPDDR5. That's not just fast, that's I have too much RAM and I love it fast. Real quick, if you're finding this useful, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this video reach people who are actually trying to decide whether to buy this thing. And subscribe if you haven't. I drop honest tech reviews every week. No paid fluff, just vibes and facts. Okay, back to it. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the MacBook Pro M5. Now listen, I love Apple, I use Apple products, but let's be honest about something. The MacBook M5 starts at around $1,599. The Galaxy Book 6 Pro starts at around $1,400, depending on your region. And yeah, Apple's M5 chip is still marginally faster in raw benchmarks. Fine, admitted. But here's what Samsung has that Apple doesn't. A proper HDMI port, a full-size USB-A, a micro SD card slot, and a display that,
I'm just gonna say it, looks better to the naked eye than the MacBook's Liquid Retina XDR. Also, Windows, which means compatibility with basically every software on the planet. Try running certain enterprise tools on macOS. Oh wait, Samsung isn't trying to beat Apple at Apple's game. They're playing a completely different game, and honestly, it's working.
Let's talk about the stuff reviewers sleep on. The keyboard, incredible. Deep travel, satisfying click, backlit. It feels premium in a way that $1,000 laptops usually don't. I typed a 3,000-word article on this thing, and my fingers were happy. The fingerprint sensor is built into the power button. Clean, fast, no drama. The webcam is 1080p with IR for Windows Hello. Face unlock in under a second. Very nice. The build? Aluminum chassis, slim bezels, available in platinum, silver, and moonstone gray. It looks like it costs twice what it does. You will get compliments in meetings. That's not a feature Samsung lists, but it should be.
Okay, real talk. Not everything is perfect. The speaker setup is solid. The 16-inch model comes with a quad-speaker Dolby Atmos setup with dedicated woofers and tweeters. It's good, just don't expect a home theater experience. And Samsung's pre-installed bloatware? My guy, why is there so much of it? McAfee, Samsung Notes, Samsung Gallery, and 4 other apps I'll never open, all sitting there on day one. Takes about 20 minutes to clean up. Annoying. Also, the webcam placement is still at the bottom of the screen on some configurations. Bottom of the screen. That's a 2019 problem that needs to stay in 2019. But here's the thing. None of those are deal breakers. They're paper cuts, not stab wounds. And here's the deal. Comment below, Galaxy or Apple, and give me one reason. If this video hits 15,000 likes, I'm giving away a Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro to one subscriber. Like the video, subscribe, comment, that's your entry. Let's see if we can do it. The Samsung Galaxy Book 6 Pro is not just a good laptop, it's a statement. It's Samsung saying, we're done playing it safe. We're done being the also-ran. We're here, we're serious, and we made something that can go toe-to-toe with anyone. Does it win every fight? No. Does it win the one that matters? Your daily life, your work, your creativity? I think it does. I'm Smart Invention. If you want to see more video, check description below. Subscribe. Stay sharp. See you in the next one.